Let's prepare to meditate. Adjust your body so that you are comfortable. Close your eyes. Rest your hands in any way that is comfortable for you. Take a nice filling breath in. Breathe deeply in through your nose and breathe out slowly through your mouth. Do this breathing again. Now when you exhale, breathe out with a long sigh. Continue this breathing a few more times to settle your mind and body. You are ready to begin. This meditation is called Little You. Imagine standing beside a little version of you, a young and bright-eyed version of yourself. What did a younger version of you look like? Imagine now that little you takes a hold of your hand and you begin to lead them on a walk. Imagine where you would like to take little you. Little you notices someone trying to learn how to ride a bike. Little you starts a conversation. Learning to ride a bike looks hard. Really hard. You might even fall and hurt yourself. When I grow up to be you, will I learn how to do hard things? Or will I give up a lot? Imagine how you will answer this question. Little you continues. When we try to do or learn hard things, do we sometimes fail or fall? Or do we always get it the first time? How would you answer little you this time? What would you say? Do we make mistakes sometimes? Is it okay when we make mistakes? Is it true that we can get really good at whatever we set our mind to? Or is that just pretend? What kind of stuff do you really want to be good at? Are you practicing yet? Wow, it sounds like we're going to be really cool and really good at a lot of things. I'm so excited to be you one day. Little you gives you a big hug, then runs off to play as you chase happily behind them. Now relax, listen to the music, and enjoy the rest of your mindful minute. As our meditation comes to a close, draw your attention back to your real body. Notice and feel where your body is touching the floor or chair. Wiggle your fingers, wiggle your toes. Take a deep breath. Now go ahead and stretch out your body in any way that feels good to you. When you're ready, open your eyes. Now go out and find all that's good in your day.